Hello guys, it's me, Fireboard Gamer. Right now I am in the new um blocksbaers pizzeria thing that whoever was called made this thing made it. I was searching for I was looking through the main thing, and then I just saw I was like new blocksbaers, so I decided to play it. But I bet like everybody except well I played it with all out off camera, so. And just to let you know, if any one of you like watch this video and like it, you might, and if you try to join the same, you might be able to join the same service. If this is who I am, IJ Tuttle, just look for that. I know it's really weird not to call myself Firebar Gamer, but it makes sense because there's probably like a million other Firebar gamers. Okay, we're in. I'm gonna uh, okay, who should I try? Okay, just turn it up. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to be Bonnie. No, I'm confused that they added a boy and girl. I'm gonna try to be Freddy. Nope. Chica? Why do I always have to be Chica? Okay. Oh. Now can we eat you? That's just. It's Bonnie. I am not a bird. What? I'm just gonna hit you. I don't think. Okay, school's over for me, so I'm not using proper grammar. Roblox doesn't have that. It's a girl. Come on. Kid Bear. I don't know. I just do that to go home. Like, cause when I was like a kid, one of the game server, you got one of you that you might have been, you might be watching this. So, oh, okay, oh, dang, okay, I can't go through. Am I stuck in? Why is everything starting to fall down? I swear for the doors. Oh wait, I just realized. Mm. No, I forgot. I can break my jaw. This so looks like that. Okay, I'm gonna do like a. Okay, watch this. Oh, does that look creepy? Yeah, that looks creepy. So I just realized this is like kind of like Toy Chico. Oh my gosh, it's Freddy. Freddy doesn't talk out. Okay, yeah. Oh, no, I'm gonna join another server. I'm gonna join another server. Oh, yeah. Oh, and by the way, oh, okay. Just to let you know, this is basically where you have to see. All right. Okay. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to use the avatar because I don't want to look like a Bonnie. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off the Bonnie mask and change my skin tone. Sorry you had to see us all. I've seen some other YouTubers customize themselves to look like game people. But I'm sorry. I'm just yeah. Okay, let's turn this bit. Come on. Okay, let's go. Okay, no one. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, just so you know, I have like a. Then you can go. Hang on there. Okay, it's not gonna. We got Fortnite kid. There's a Fortnite kid. Which I really only want to be Foxy and Bonnie, so I'm just gonna put Foxy or Bonnie to see. So. Sorry, I'm singing for now. So I would really like this. We are waiting every night to find out. Newcomers to play with us. Freddy's birthday, la la la. Hey, Buster took my life away. Please don't let me you know what you do. Okay, why is there fire out? Fight! I'm gonna hit fight. I just realized that I have it on cap. Sorry, sorry I had to do that. I just need to test that. Oh, and this is another hack. So if you run and then you hit this, then you hit click, you can automatically just keep running. Be like, I usually do this in the game. I just jump around the tables when I'm bored. Oh, ever okay? I need to tell. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you this. At the end of the video, I will tell you. Okay? Wait, what? Oh my gosh! No, 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 no. Sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I get scared easily. Ah, other side, other side, other side. Enemy! I'm you're ugly. Ugly. Okay. You're ugly. It won't let me. Okay, by the way, if you hit control, this is on my computer, so if you hit control, fall under here, you can go like this, and you like under here, you like trying to get you. Yeah. And oh, here's another thing. Okay, first, if you want to get out of your hall, and then there's another way the animatrons can get there. Yeah. Oh, just right. Okay. Another way, if you try to get up here, I don't know. I'll like pretend to be like a role play thing. So yeah, it was off camera. Here's my second ever video. So yeah, just let me get up here. By the way, okay. So basically, why I have this clothes on is that I used to change my skin from purple, and I didn't have any hair. I just had a body mask and this clothes. So I tried to be Bonnie. So first I tried to be Foxy. First I was like, oh my god. Oh, it's a boy. Boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, it should. If you say hi or if you like say ha ha ha, say you hi. Oh, she's watching. Oh. Huh. How'd you get that ponytail? Want it? Hello. Hello, Freddy. I can do this because it feels like really, really like nervous. Just gonna do that to it. No, to Edno's reaction. Endo X. Okay. Yes. Endo X. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So all of these guys right here might be watching my YouTube channel and they're on YouTube. So I'm not gonna say I'm Fireborn Gamer because it's always like, she can beat. And every night at the end, it's oh, Freddy, me. Where? What should I roll for? I'm gonna use you. By the way, this is not a hint of like. Why is there two endos? What? Um. Cause I've been saying like on Blocksberg and all that. No one will give out their real name. Probably when I reach oh yeah, I forgot to do. Okay, at the end of the video it says it. So if I get I probably probably at my 10th video, I will start doing a face. So yeah, actually, I don't know. I'll start doing face cam when I feel comfortable enough. So yeah. Woo! Hi. Oh, by the way, to look for my YouTube channel, you have to hit. It's a circle. It's an orange circle with a white F in it. So yeah. Bonnie, your best friend. Yeah. Choke. Freddy choked the officer. Oh my gosh. Freddy's savage. Freddy's a savage in this game. That was enough. Choke. Does anyone hear a choking sound? Well, I'm not gonna do it because probably be right. Let me go get a blunt fish. Why did I say blunt? That's weird. Okay. The first thing I get is a cheap one. I want a blunt. Oh yeah. By the way, you can there's a body plot. Oh, and there's a girl body plush. Oh yeah. I got Bonnie. I'm gonna try to get Bonnie. You shouldn't get Spring Bonnie as a plush. I don't know why. All the duplicates, I just okay. You know what? I'm just gonna watch these guys. Okay. Oh, he has the same bunny mask as me. Oh, that's cool. Okay, Spy Master. Okay. Okay, I know this video wasn't long. It's only like 12 minutes. It's only been like 12 minutes. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!